Well, I did a thing. I did something today to the Gbody Olds. Too. Gotta tell you, man, it wasn't so bad. Wasn't so bad at all. So what I did was rolled the primer on. I mean, that's pretty good. I can't complain, man. That's not bad at all. Not bad at all. I mean, if you don't have an air compressor, spray gun, and stuff like that, and you know, those spray cans cost a lot. So that's not so bad. Yeah, there's some lines in it from rolling, but it's not bad. Not bad for my first time. Now I'm gonna get started on this door. Do the same. And I also got to mention that I was quite surprised that nothing went to waste. None of that material went. Like, wow, that was just one cup, 4-1. Man, I can't complain. Yeah, fortunately, I got to take my compressor apart. I got to get in there, take that out, take that bun out, and clean the inside of the tank. I tried draining it and all that, but it's obviously plugged full of fucking shit. But yeah, man, wow, eh? Simply amazing. Amazing. I can't complain. And I didn't fog out the wife and kids and neighbors with all my primer. Yeah, I can't complain, man. Good enough. I need a primer on this car bad, man. Really bad. But yeah. Get cracking on this door. I ended up sanding that hood again too. It was just, it was that bad. It's just, yeah. Took me about an hour to sand it down. It was no big deal. But yeah. Let me get cracking on the store, and I'll make another cup up and we'll do it together. Well, it's pretty much the next day. And take you along for the ride. Rolling the door. Had some company, some traffic. It's hard to do all this when there's things going on. I should have specified I got 2 coats on the hood, 2 coats on the roof, and 1 on the trunk. So I got this door. I did this door last night. And I did the other door, which is pretty much a tight squeeze, but yeah, it's only 1 coat on that door too. But not so bad, man. I can't complain. So now we're gonna do the back quarter. Do the back quarters. So I got some cleaning up to do. Do the back quarters. Yeah. Alright, give me a second. I put another coat on the trunk. So there's 2 on there. And I got the quarter. I dripped some paint there. We got some paint on there. This is all wet still. Rolled some paint on there too. It's just one coat. I'm telling you, man, I can't complain. I mean, if you don't have a compressor or a spray gun or something, yeah. Came out pretty good. That's just one coat too. Really got to keep that paint on that fiber brush thing. You got to keep the paint on it, or you'll get dry spots. Not such crazy long strokes either. I don't know. It's a happy medium somewhere. But I'm learning as I go along. I gotta admit, it keeps getting better. Like, let's face it, this stuff was meant to be sprayed, but come on, man, that's pretty good. That's not bad. Huh. Well, I'll be. And I finally got primer on the car. So the next thing I'm going to do to the Gbody is take that engine out. I got to fix that rear crank seal. Yeah. Not bad. Good enough, man. And the material goes a long way too, and there's no waste. I mean, yeah, it went a long way. Like, I still got probably over a quarter of a gallon, and I pretty much put 2 coats on this whole car. Pretty much, anyway. Well, yeah, almost. All right, let me get cleaned up.